All right, this is the high plank exercise. So similar to the elbow plank, only now we're coming from our elbows to our hands. So we want our hands right under our shoulders. A lot of times what you'll see is people come kind of too far out here. And what happens is that's just a lot of force here at the shoulder. So really make sure your hands are right under your shoulders. You're starting on your knees and toes. And then from there, you're coming in to that high plank position. Things that you're looking for, keeping your shoulders engaged. What we don't want to have happen is we're kind of sinking down over our shoulders like that, or letting our hips sink like that. We really need to keep that strong plank position. If you need to come down, give yourself a rest. It's okay to come onto the knees, give yourself a quick rest, but I'd really rather have you keeping this strong plank position rather than trying to hold it for as long as you can in a bad position. So there you have it. That's the high plank exercise.